have their names and license plate numbers? Yeah, I'll try to, officer. Thank you.
Nothing?
There are no reports of any serious accidents, and all the major roads have been plowed, so they should be fine, Douglas.
I'm glad Christy's not alone.
When I was learning how to drive, I did a K-turn that put my mother's car in a ditch. Christy tied ropes to the bumpers and hauled it out with her father's tractor. Nobody knew a thing.
Including me. But that was a while ago.
I'm not worried.
She was saving you, Mary Frances. That's a lot less stressful than saving yourself.
What are you thinking?
Have you seen but a bright lily grow before rude hands have touched it? Have you marked but the fall of the snow before the soil has smutched it? Oh, so white, oh, so soft, oh, so sweet is she. It's Ben Jonson, celebration of Caris. It reminds me of Christy, but tonight I can't get it out of my mind.
They're back.
Then all's well.
Hello!
Are you okay?
Yeah, sure, we're fine. I'm sorry if we alarmed you.
I called the police.
Well, we'll have to call them back and tell them everything's okay.
I hope you weren't too upset, Douglas.
It's you I'm worried about, Christina.
Don't be. Cass took very good care of me. What happened? Did your car break down?
No. The strangest thing happened. We got locked up in a department store.
Huh? They must have closed early because of the storm. Everything went pitch black. We couldn't get a line out.
Yeah, everything was computerized. The phones, the door locks, everything.
Oh, and a night watchman finally rescued us. You went shopping in a deserted store. It's one way to beat the crowd. Fill me in on this later.
Yeah, sure.
Oh, you must have been imagining terrible things.
No, not really. We watched the snow fall. We had some mulled wine, and we talked about our souls. It was delightful.
Sounds like we didn't miss much. I know it's late, but we were going to have a party.
Oh, this snow looks like it's not going to let up. I think we should make it another time.
Then let's make it soon.
Okay.
Let me get my coat. I'll help you. Cass, you would have been so scared if you hadn't been there. I would have been tempted to buy everything I laid my eyes on.
It was a bit like being in an episode of Twilight Zone, wasn't it?
Yes, but we made it through.
Yes, we did.
You have a wonderful man. Yes, and so do you. Oh, sorry. Hey. Good night, Douglas. I had a wonderful evening.
Safe home, both of you.
Thank you. Good night.
Safe. What is it with you and storms?
I don't know, Frankie. Tonight was very strange. I hope you didn't think that I had fallen into a snowbank again.
Well, I knew you were okay, but please, Cass, be careful.
Baby, come on.
Oh, I mean it, Cass. I couldn't take it if anything happened to you.
Honey.
We would have called Douglas.
Christy, no harm done. Okay.
Are you sure?
Positive. Where's that smile you had when you first came home?
Huh, I was smiling.
You were. Brighter than I've seen it for a long time.